Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change the nickname of a group member in Messenger. If you're using Facebook Messenger and now you want to change the nickname of a group member, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook Messenger app, and here just open your group, and here just tap on the group name to get group info here. From here you must have to select nicknames option, and then select the person which nickname you want to change. I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and here you must have to remove that name, and here just enter a new name. As let's see, I am going to enter this one, just enter that, then tap on set. Here you can see the nickname of the friend has been setted. So in this way you can easily change the nickname of a group member in Facebook Messenger. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.